Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I want to quickly show you how you can sell your USDT and get paid in your local currency. Okay, you have USDT in your Bybit or anywhere and you want to actually sell it and have your local currency in your bank account. Sell it to your local currency so that you'll be able to spend it. Okay, spend the money. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you are going to achieve that in this video. You are going to sell your USDT and have maybe your Naira or your CDs in your local bank account. That is what I want to show you in this video. So stick with me to the end of the video so that you don't miss anything at all. I want you to stick close, hit a like on this video, comment. If you have questions, you comment in the video as well. Subscribe to the channel so that you learn to avoid being scammed online. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Let's go. Hello guys, okay, welcome back. So this is the Bybit homepage interface. So if you want to actually sell your USDT, you already have USDT, you want to sell it, this is a step to take before you be able to sell your USDT, then have more like convert it to your local currency. You must have actually done your KYC. Your KYC, that is your identity verification. You must have done your identity verification. So let me show you. So if you click at this top left corner here, where you see the image of someone here, that is supposed to be my profile. All right, so you see verified ID here. Verified ID, you must have done your verification, that's your KYC. Then let me show you something here. Okay, must have done that. So I want to show you something here. All right, so look at this. This is identity verification. Identity verification verified. Then the next thing you do is for you to come here where you see security. Look at security, click on security, then you see all these things. These are the things you should do. Email, link your email, then do your phone number linking, that is bind your phone number, then fund password, you set it, the password that you'll be using to, anytime you want to release your fund, anytime you want to withdraw, there will be the password should be configured. It should be here too. Then do your Google two-factor authenticator, that is this one here. You see that. Then if all those are set, then you can come to this place they wrote P2P. Come to this place they wrote P2P. Look at it just under this figure here, under this 14,000 plus. Under this you have P2P trading, that is peer-to-peer trading. It is that section of Bybit that you use to actually sell your crypto or your USDT to your local bank account, to your local bank currency. So let me show you. You click on it. So these are all the vendors on P2P. Okay, these are all the vendors on P2P. All of this, yes, these are the vendors that you can sell your USDT to or buy your USDT from. So the first thing you want to do is to click on sell. Look at sell here at the top, sell. Okay, so you click on sell. Look at that. So all these ones are the people you can sell your USDT to. But before you can do that, you click on this profile here by your right hand side downwards, down here. Just go down, you see profile. Click on profile. Then you see my name here. Look at my name at the top. Look at my name at the top. Okay. See, if you look downwards, you see payment method. see payment method here. Okay, you can see payment method. Click on it. Then if you have not set your payment method, this is where you have the opportunity to do so. You click on add payment method. You can see my own payment method. As a Nigerian, the best payment method for me is bank transfer. You see that my account number is there. See my name is there. The name of the bank is also there. If you are a Nigerian, but if you are not a Nigerian, you can choose other payment method by clicking on this add payment method. You see different payment methods. See card, credit card, see bank card, see digital wallet. You see that. But if you don't want to, under this P2P, you can click on this add a payment method here. If you can see it, yes, add payment method. So from here, look at the top here, you see bank transfer. Click on it so that you can choose. See, these are different payment methods. These are different payment methods. All these ones, look. All these are different payment methods. You see PayID, you see PayPal, you see PayMe, you see Skrill, you see Swish, you see what's it called? WeChat Pay HK, you see Agrobank, LTM, Airtel Money, Airtel Mobile Top Up, different payment methods here. Just scroll down, there are many. There are many, too many. So you choose the one that is suitable for your country, and you now go ahead and put your details. Okay, so I want to go back now. All right, so once you select the payment method that is suitable for your country, you now come here and enter the details that are required. So I'll go back now. So I'll come here. Once you have put your payment method, you come back here. Okay, these are different vendors that you can actually sell your USDT to. But there is something important that you need to do. Some of these people here, they are not very good. So you need to filter them. So when you come here, look at here, they wrote filter by your left hand corner here, close to this place. Okay, so mine is showing Naira because I'm in Nigeria. If you click here, you can choose your own currency, maybe cedis or whichever currency of your country. Then you can come here, click on this filter so that you can filter the vendors and choose the best. Look at this. Here you can see what I did here. I clicked on this show only verified advertisers. Then here, as I see show only, I clicked show only eligible ads. You see that? So these are the two that I clicked. Then here I see price highest to lowest. Okay, you see that highest to lowest because I want to actually sell. I want prices that are high. Okay, then I click confirm. All right, so let's look at this. I'll also choose amount, the USDT I want to sell. I'll come and click here amount. I'll click it. Let's assume is okay. Let's assume I want to choose let me say I want to sell up to maybe $20,000 $20,000 naira worth of USDT. I'll click here, select it so that from 20,000 upwards we show. You see that from 20,000 upwards we show. So let's look at it now. Okay, so these are the ones that are showing. All these ones are selling USDT worth of 20,000 and above. So look at this. You see the rate. This one, the rate is 1,758 naira. you see that per USDT, see the number of orders. This person has completed 704 orders. That is, he has done up to 704 transactions on this P2P section, and the completion rate is 100%. It's not bad. Then look at this person now. This person is here, this year Kade, the second person here. The rate is 1,737 naira per USDT. This one has done 1,399 orders. That is worth of transactions. 18, the completion rate is 89. You see that I can choose this first person or the second person because they are good. Okay, they are good. But what I'm saying here, the payment method under these two is Jais Bank. Jais Bank. You see that? You see that? That is another thing to look at. Jais Bank. Jais Bank. So I will be looking at, I want to choose payment method. Let me choose payment method. Bank transfer. Okay. That is suitable for me. You see that? You see that now? So this is the rate has reduced now because I don't have those two people's payment method. So I will come here. Let me go back. So all right, so I will, let me go back and select those, sell. All right, guys, I'll choose bank transfer. All right, so this is bank transfer. After those filtering, I'll choose the one that has my own type of payment method. You see, if you are deceived by this, what's it called? This rate now, this is 1,700 and something, and you go and choose it. You don't have this type of payment method of this vendor. So you must choose the one that has the payment method that you also have. So that is it, guys. When you choose, let me choose one of this now that has a bank transfer, but this one is showing 10 million minimum or 1 million minimum. So let me check the amount again. 20,000. 20,000 bank transfer. All right. So I will choose one of this. One of this. All these ones, their rate are okay. Rate is okay. Then the completion rate is also okay. This one is 97. Look at this. Look at this one. This is 1,601 naira. Completion rate 97%. 1,907 orders. You see that I can choose this one. So let me click on sell. So I can say I want to sell all my USDT. Maybe let's say 12 USDT. Okay, I don't really have USDT now in this particular account. So if I have 12 USDT now, I'll click on sell. Then the vendor will now credit the amount. You see, they will show me the amount I'll receive here. They'll show me the amount I'm going to receive. Then the vendor will credit it to my account. Then once I receive the alert, confirm me that the money is actually in my bank account, by checking my mobile app and checking that the money is actually there. I will now come back here and release the USDT to him after I've received the money. But don't play smart that after receiving the money you now refuse to release this thing, because Bybit will actually go their way to check the receipt of the person that credited you to show that this person actually credited you, and they will still release it, or the person will report you to Bybit and you may start having issues with your Bybit account. and you will not be able to like do anything again on this Bybit platform. So don't play smart here, because there is a mediator between you and the vendor, and that is Bybit team. So do the right thing. Once you receive the money in your account, then you come and release it. At that point of releasing, that is where you need your funding password. That is why it's important that you know your funding password at all times. So that is basically it, guys, for this one. Then don't allow a vendor to chat you up in the chat session, pressurizing you to release the crypto when you have not received the alert. Don't still allow that to happen. So that is it, guys. See you in my next one. Give this video a like, and comment. If you have questions, put your question in the comment section. And if you want me to make a video on any other topic, put it in the comment section as well. Share this video, and you should also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.